and reliable, light and affordable. This is our fresh headlight, Frisby. You can see it's very thin. The height is just 42 mm. It's 3 times thinner than other Euro headlights, and it's very light. But this one is too heavy to hold. That means you can save much shipping cost and storage cost. You can see the heatsink is streamlined. The fins is one through and open at both sides, helpful for better air convection, so the heat dissipation will be better. The powder spread treatment of the surface is very strict, so there is no bits, no gaps. The surface is too smooth to accumulate the dust. This triangle clasp is fixed well in factory, and the user can use it directly. So you can see it's very convenient for installation. The housing is made of die-casting aluminum. All the progresses are finished in our own die-casting factory by the machine imported from Japan, so the structure is with high strength and better corrosion resistance. The structure of Frisby is firm enough, and there is a waterproof ring inside for ensuring IP65. The light efficiency is up to 120 lumen per watt, and the beam angle is 90 degrees. As you can see, from the PCB assembly to finished products, all the progresses are finished in our own factory. Each progress are finished and tested strictly to ensure the high quality, and also its benefits to control the cost. So the Frisby is a reliable and affordable product for you.